Hello, I am back again to finish off my Elemis advent calendar unboxing. This is the 2025 advent calendar. It is so good. I've already done part one, which is box number 1 to box number 21. So this is part 2. Basically what happened was I ran out of filming time. I had to go pick up Mary from nursery. So what I'm going to do now is basically run through the final items of the entire advent calendar, and then we're going to show the best bits and talk about the entire advent calendar as a whole. And as a recap, the advent calendar is out now. The shopping link is in the description and it is £225. However, it is worth £680. It is a banger of an advent calendar. It's honestly so good. So this is what the advent calendar looks like, and we will go through the highlights in a minute, but first of all, let's finish unboxing. So we were up to box number 21, which is a very nice little Days box. This is the Pro Collagen Eye Revive mask. It's a very good mask. It's basically an overnight eye cream. It's really good. I like it a lot. So that's box number 21. And then in box number 22, we have the Pro Collagen Overnight Matrix. This is basically an overnight face mask. It's really good. I really like this. I've used this quite a few times. It's really good, especially if you have dry and sensitive skin and you don't really have time for a face mask, but you want to give your skin a boost. This is basically the perfect product. In box number 23, we have the Pro Collagen Vitality Eye Cream. So another eye cream. This is the second eye cream of the box. And now we're on Christmas Eve. This is the Dynamic Resurfacing Face Wash. I really like this. I have dry and sensitive skin. I have to be very careful with my exfoliation. So I personally like throwing this into my skincare routine once in a blue moon to give my face like a little bit of like a boost and a resurfacing without it being like a hardcore face mask. Mary has just come in to say hello. Hi, Mary. No joke. She is opening the advent calendar. Okay. And then on the 25th of December, can you help me, Mary? Look, here's the 25th of December. This is the final item. We have the Pro Collagen Future Restore Serum. And this is a full-size bottle at 30 ml. And this is honestly incredible. I'm going to quickly look up how much this is worth. So this alone is worth £115, which is incredible. So basically 2 products, this and the Pro Collagen Marine Cream, is basically the value of the entire advent calendar. But there is like 23 more items, which Mary is ripping into right now. Hi Mary, what are you doing? So that is basically the entire Elemis advent calendar. I think it's incredible. I cannot believe how much it's worth compared to how much they're selling it for. It's such good value. If you need the Pro Collagen Marine Cream and you need a new serum, it's literally worth it for those 2 items alone, and then everything else is essentially free, which is kind of mind-blowing. Plus, it's just a gorgeous treat to yourself. And if there's anything that you don't want, which personally there is nothing I don't want, you could always bundle them up, put them in a cute little gift bag and make them into a little gift, you know, a Christmas gift. Anyway, now I'm going to show you what I think is the best bits of the entire advent calendar. And I've got them here, ready and waiting. So, yeah, we'll do it in no particular order, but I might just mix it up, you know. I might do the very best things at the beginning and the end. I don't know, I'm just going to mix it up. So the first thing I want to point out in the advent calendar is the Fragpani Monoi shower cream. I absolutely love this stuff. It smells incredible. It's just like florally and rich and beautiful and kind of sweet. It's so lovely, and it's such a lovely way to start the day. It's absolutely stunning. I love it. And this is a really nice, generous tube, which I personally will use in the bath and the shower. It's just gorgeous. And I love the fact that they've given us a body butter as well. Another wonderful product. However, this kind of contradicts what I've just said, but I love the fact that they've given us 2 items and then they've just stopped. No more body care, just skincare, which is, I think, what we all want. As fans, we want the skincare focus, but a hint of the luxury, a hint of the body care, but then just like not much, you know, and they've given us the perfect amount. Then next up, I would have to say the Pro Collagen Cleansing Balms. I actually can't choose between the 3. I love the green fig. I love the cherry. I love the classic. I love the fact that they've given us all 3 of them. It's such a treat. So yeah, I love the fact that they've given us all of those 3. And yeah, together it adds up to like 60 grams, which is a lot of cleansing balm. And I love the fact that they've given us like the choice of fragrances as well. And it really is like one of the best cleansing balms in the world, but it's nice to have different fragrances, you know. Then next up, the serum. We've just opened this, so I'm not going to dwell on it. Oh, My God, I dropped it. Let's try again. So I've just opened this. I'm not going to dwell on it for too long, but it's worth £116. A serum is always a good idea. And yeah, it's just such a treat, you know, and you're like, yes, thank you. Next up, I would go for the dynamic resurfacing pads. I love these, but because I don't use them very often, they're something that I tend not to buy because they're not a staple for me in my skincare routine. However, when I have them, I love them. So I'm really thrilled that we have these, and we have 14 of them. And if I use like one a week, like that's enough for like 14 weeks. Like that's really good for me. But yeah, it's something that I don't normally treat myself to, but it's something I absolutely love. So I'm really thrilled about these. And I have a feeling you're going to love them too. And if you have dry and sensitive skin, you can still use them, which is crazy because a lot of quite powerful things I have to stay away from. And then the final thing that I think is one of the very best things is very obvious, but it is the Pro Collagen Marine Cream. And this is a 50ml tub. This is worth like nearly £100 by itself. It's absolutely bonkers. It's truly one of the world's best face creams, and this is like probably the biggest pot I've ever had. And it's just like such a treat. I honestly think this advent calendar is like so good. It's rammed full of everything that we want. Oh, hi Mary. Don't open all the boxes, sweetheart. Mary's coming to help me, so I may have to wrap this up quite quickly. But yeah, they've given us like such generous things that we really want, things that are really going to like be used day to day. And like not only have they given... Hi Mary. Cheese. Sorry, I'm going to have to wrap this up now. Mary has just been collected from nursery. I thought I could film this video very quickly while she watched a bit of Bing, but I cannot. But yeah, I just think it's an incredible advent calendar. It's worth every single penny. It's like basically your year's worth of skincare. Not only have they given us like the Pro Collagen Marine Cream, but they've given us a smaller version of it in the rose. And then they've given us the overnight version and the overnight mask. And then they've given us like other face creams. Like if you added up all the little bits, it's literally like a year's worth of skincare, which is incredible. And it's worth like nearly £700, and it's just over £200. And it's just such a treat. Like it's so good. And you could repackage like little bits and bobs and like make it into like little gift sets for friends and family. But honestly, I would kind of keep it for myself. I just think it's such a good advent calendar, and I think it's such a lovely treat for yourself. And if you need new skincare, and if you want to just buy all your year's skincare in like one fell swoop, then this is kind of it. Anyway, that is my video. I need to go see what my little lady is up to, because I have no idea what she's doing. But they are what I think is the best bits. Watch part 1 for the entire advent calendar unboxing, because you will see literally how much they've given us, all the usable stuff. Like it's all so usable and universal, which I love, and I just think it's incredible. So I am so thrilled that I unboxed it with you, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. And yeah, sorry I had to wrap this up quickly at the end. But you know, when somebody wants to like watch Bing and hang out with me, I just have to go watch Bing and hang out with her. So there we go. Anyway, that's my video. Thank you so much. Let me know if you've got any questions, and all the information, shopping links, etc., all in the description box. Enjoy.